and welcome to another StitchFix Kids unboxing. So I know that this one wasn't as popular as the others, but I wanted to see what else they have going on. So I'm going to try it just another time, at least this one more time, and see if we can find anything really cool for Miss Belle. And it's just me at the moment today because I got out of work early and I'm super excited to see what we got. So they're actually wrapped a little bit differently today. Kind of tissue paper. We've got some cool brown paper, and it looks like we've got another pair of shoes. Let's get started. The Compelli New York Jelly Rain Boots in dark pink. Ooh, I'm excited because I did like a bunch of rain boots. Oh, I think I said I didn't like this color style as much, but we'll see. She does really need some rain boots coming up soon. So I think it'll depend on the cost, really. Though we could always run to the Target. But I'm not sure about the bottoms here, because usually I like them rubbery. There's got a lot of really cool textures, but it's like a hard plastic. So we'll see. But I gotta say, we have been loving the shoe bag that they come in. We don't use it to store shoes, but it's been super great for like diaper stacks and snack bringing day. That was super duper fun. All right, next up, we have the Roomie and Writer long sleeve graphic tee in gray, and it says kind heart, fierce mind. That is super cute. So it looks like, boop, 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 thingies. Sequins! It looks like sequins, but it's not. It's actually a raised print. So it's just like a screen print for the letters as well as the dinos, which is super duper rad, and I think she would really prefer. Also, how nice would that be for not getting hooked on things? That's really cool. All right, so this is not one of the designs, again, that we liked, but the style that we liked. So, this is the Chanel Girl Belle Tutu dress in off-white. Still a really, really good quality. A little bit more ruffly than the other one. And it's got a little bit less thickness. It doesn't have as much of the double layer, but it does have more floof and details, and this one is still kind of a pretty popular style among the independent groups and the copycats, of course. And the skirt's pretty cute. It's a little stripy. I don't think she would wear this one. It's not really her jam. Let's see. Oh, this is cute. The Jules Land Fit and Flare dress in navy. So I asked for more of like a my style of pieces or some like just plain colors, because Bubs really tends to prefer plain colors and I like putting her in, you know, mini me pieces. So this one is definitely more on the mini me side, and I adore that. I feel like it would look so cute and flowy on her, especially because she's such a skinny mini. Love it. Oh, here's a nice black and white one. Okay. The Persea Girl Vanessa crisscross black swing dress in extra, extra small. I will say right away, I am worried about this because I can see through the black. Just holding it up, I can see the black stripes. Pardon me. I can see the black stripes through the white. And I can see like all my skin color, everything. Can see my tattoo straight through it. So I want to say, as cute as this one is, I would say it's a no, because it's totally sheer. But it is very soft, it's very springy, it looks like it would be very wonderfully twirly, but the black is a little bit see-through and the white is completely see-through. All right, Roomie and Ryder Nora ruched ankle leggings in a navy. These ones are a bit cuter and a bit better quality. They're closer to that Target quality rather than the Walmart-y type quality of the last ones. I like the detail. The ruching is actually really comfortable. It's not just stitched, it's elastic. And they themselves are very stretchy. Very, very cute. I wonder if she would hate me if I paired them together. Maybe. They're pretty cute. She doesn't really do a whole lot with ruching or ruffles or fluff of any sort, but they didn't seem to send us as much of the unisex stuff, which is really little one's preference. So next, let's see, Flapdoodles. It did Flapdoodles, the Lizzo Hachi set in gray. So we've got a hoodie shirt, which is a pullover, which I did mention on her profile that she doesn't do pullovers. She doesn't like things being pulled over her head in general. And some matching little sweaty pants with real tiny, tiny pockets. Oh, it is so tiny. So very cute, very cute. All right, next up is the Persea Girl Jaden Peplum top. So, is this one in navy? Yeah, it's in navy. So I think lengthwise it'd be really good for a kiddo with long arms, but it is super duper thin. It's like tissue paper thin, a little bit sheer, especially if it stretches at all. So I'd be worried about snags, though you can't really see anything through it, so it's not too bad, but ooh, super duper stretchy. So yeah, not bad at all. I definitely want to boing it really badly. And the peplum is really soft. It's not super exaggerated. I think it actually shows up more on camera than it even does in person. It actually looks super duper subtle in person. So I think it'd be a nice flowy. So if your little one is into something like that, you can definitely see like layered up all cute. That would be adorable. We'll have to ask Miss about that one. Oh, here's another one of the unicorn things. Chanel Girl Cleo 3/4 sleeve sequin graphic pullover. This one has real sequins, really scratchy and really kind of stiff. So that might soften up, but I'm not sure. It's kind of like a loosey-goosey top, so almost like a tunic, kind of tunicky. It is really soft. It is see-through. I can see the unicorn through it actually. The knit is nice on the inside, so it is almost like a double layer the way it has the knit on the inside, but not sure if it's coming through. That you can definitely see through it, but super duper soft fabric, so at least that aspect they did listen to. I did say specifically that there needs to be a lot more softness. And last up, we have the Jules Alina Jersey skater dress in white. And white is on her list of colors that I asked to avoid. But it is beautiful. It feels very well made. It's got a nice thick fabric. I feel like this would be one that wouldn't be bad for like a grow with me style. Oh, no, it has a really, really raised seam. I was hoping that was going to be like flat, because then you could just like kind of roll it up for a bit, but I don't think she would wear that because that seam is huge. Okay, so let's look at the prices here. One super duper cute thing is that they give a little message that's right to the child on there. So it's actually addressed to my little one. That's super duper cute. I'm about jumping in puddles. That's adorable. Okay. Let's go through here. So let's see. Chenali Girl. All right, this one here, $26. 26. That's one's a no. So Persea Girl. Wait, no. This one is Crown of Hearts. Wait. What? This one is like double layered. So Crown of Hearts. It says on this tag and on this tag. It just says Per Se a Girl on here for some reason. That one's confusing. Is $16. So not bad. We'll see if she likes it. Next, the ruched leggings here are $12. So we'll see if she likes them. Because I can see that. I think that they are closer, a little bit closer to like an 8 or 9 even. But it's StitchFix, kind of get that, you know. La 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 la. The set here is $34. So a pretty good deal if that's something your little would wear. Da, 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 da. The Jewels Fit and Flare is $30. So really cute. So we'll see. That one's another maybe. This one was the Per Se a Girl Crisscross. It's actually a little bit cheaper than the last one at $22. So much as I think it's really cute and she would be adorable in it, I'm not so sure about the white part being see-through. I will show it to her because she can always wear like leggings underneath. And it might just be the perfect amount of swirl for her little heart. And this one is $30. And I already know she wants nothing to do with this one because we X'd it out or thumbs it down on the quiz thingy. La 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 la. The Alina is $30 again, which is not bad. Really not bad for its quality. And the graphic tee. Where was that one? Roomie and Ryder. Graphic tee was also $16. That does seem pretty high. Like pretty darn high. It's just a t-shirt. It's not stretchy. It's not really movable. It does have a cool screen printing, but I don't know if it's like $16 of screen printing, you know? And last up, the rain boots are $24. So I think that's pretty reasonable. Not bad at all. So that brings our subtotal to $240. And of course, if you buy absolutely everything, you get a 25% off discount, which is $60, bringing your final subtotal, if you get absolutely everything, to $180. Not terrible, right? I don't think so. So, I hope you enjoyed yourself. I love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.